Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you guys some more ideas for candy table treats. So if you want to see what I made and all the items I use, just keep on watching. And remember to subscribe and also hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video, because you already know I would really appreciate it. So anyways, let's get started with this video. These three items, the cookies, the pretzels, and the wafers, were all from the Dollar Tree. And if you guys seen the sprinkles beforehand, those were actually $1 each as well, from the dollar spot from Target. That's the only items that were $1. But this one item right here, which from Walmart, and honestly guys, this chocolate tastes so good and it was super simple to do. All you have to do is take this tray, put it in the microwave on medium heat, not medium heat, I'm sorry, it's like not high but like medium high, so technically it's defrost. So you have to put this in the microwave for just 120 seconds. Guys, remember, put it on defrost, do not put it on high. For 120 seconds, put it on defrost, and then just stir it all up. If you need an additional 15 seconds, go right ahead, but that's all you really need is 120. So I am starting off with these vanilla cream cookies, and I just pretty much, you see me here doing, just dipping it halfway through the chocolate and then just tapping off the excess of the chocolate so it doesn't like overflow when I put it on the sheet pan, and just put sprinkles on it. And that's as simple as that, honestly guys. And in a few seconds you will see me here switching to just bare hands, because honestly these were actually just for me and kind of just for you guys to give you ideas on your future baby showers or gender reveal table treats. I'm just giving you guys a few little ideas, and this is actually very budget friendly. And the most expensive thing I got was the chocolate, which it was probably like under $4, and it was a lot of chocolate. Like I kind of wasted like half of it towards the end of the project, but I could have ate it, but we don't really need to be eating tons of chocolate like that. Oh, we've been dreaming of.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love.
So on to the wafers, guys. These wafers with the chocolate combined are so bomb. So this is definitely one treat that you guys should really make, because I kind of ate like 6, 7, maybe 10 of them. They were so delicious, and just like the cookies, I dipped it halfway, well, more like 3/4 of the way, and just did some dipping and sprinkled it on, and it's as simple as that, guys. I still taste how delicious this was, but guys, definitely do this if you guys do baby showers. This is a #1 pick for me, because these were so good, and it was just $1.
As long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, it's breaking my heart, it's breaking my heart to see you acting like you don't care, like a nightmare. What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love.
I've actually done these before, and it is half dipped chocolate pretzels, and these are also so good. Ugh, I just love chocolate covered pretzels. So as you can see here, again, this whole bag was just $1, and you can make so many of them. It's like unbelievable, so it's definitely worth it. And just like the cookies and the wafers, I half dipped them and then decorated. See, these projects are super easy and super affordable and so tasty.
It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah, a place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much.
So I did not show this in the beginning, but I ended up doing a fourth project, which is just pretty much popcorn. And I actually got 3 bags for the price for just $1 from the dollar store, guys. And this treat is actually surprisingly tasty. The chocolate and the popcorn blends really good together. And I just added some salt because, you know, I need some popcorn with some salt. Well, some salt with the popcorn, you already know what I mean. And this is what I did. I just drizzled on the chocolate right on top, just like that. I would make a suggestion that if you have any food coloring, do it like a blue or a pink, whatever your baby shower is going to be. Or if you're doing a gender reveal candy table treat, just do like half pink and half blue and just drizzle it all over the popcorn. But since I didn't have a food coloring, I just wanted to give you guys like a simple idea of what I mean. And then I'll just pretty much just drizzle all the good chocolateness on there, guys. And I ended up putting a few sprinkles, but you really couldn't really tell. But I kind of used the wrong sprinkles, but it's okay. It still tasted super, super yummy.
Because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, baby. Yeah.
So of course, guys, you don't want to just put the popcorn just by itself because it kind of goes stale after just being like airborne. Is that even the word? So I just put it on these little plastic bags and tied it in a ribbon. And they actually have ribbons at the dollar store, but I didn't buy any, mainly because I already had ribbons, so I didn't need to spend any more money on this. So that's what I just did here. You just see me here tying it all up. And also another great idea is if you have little tags or like those name tags, instead of putting like names on it, you could just put like oh baby or so and so's baby shower or something super cute just like that. I wish I could have demonstrated that, but I didn't have any name tags. So hopefully you guys understand what I mean about name tags. But look how super cute they came out. And then if somebody just grab them and just eat them, I guarantee you guys these are so yummy.
I'm fine, but I'm scattered. We're just friends. Oh no, I don't wanna be the one with answers, because I sure don't wanna know which girl you choose. And no, the thought of her being a private dancer, it's just a little too much for me to chew. But I'm like, I say that I'm alright, but cry on the inside. I wish you were my man. Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like.
So that is all, guys. I hope I gave you guys some ideas for your future baby showers or gender reveals or even wedding table treats. I just wanted to give you guys some ideas because I know my other video was popping, and I wanted to give you some more creative and more budget friendly ideas that are super yummy and so worth it. Well guys, I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, do all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
But I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not